What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can cancel your NordVPN recurring subscription or the auto renewal. So let's get started. Now first off, once you logged in into your NordVPN account, you will be on your home dashboard. So from here, to cancel your plan, just go to the billing tab right here. And under the billing tab on the subscription section, you should be able to see your subscription details. So from here under the auto renewal, you can see that it's turned on. So to cancel it, just go ahead and click cancel. Now just go ahead and click cancel auto renewal again. And in a few moments, your auto renewal or your Nord subscription will be cancelled. So if you cancelled it within the 30 days time frame, you can request your money back from Nord under their 30-day money back guarantee policy. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.